defund our police and erase our history. And Andy McGrath is their liberal candidate.
That's what you get for living in Kentucky. Getting these same exact ads. Please vote for Andy McGrath if you're from Kentucky.
Welcome to Popeyes, sir. What would you like to order?
Don't act dumb. You know why we're here.
Yeah, I figured. But sorry, sir. We're all out of chicken sandwiches.
Are you? Never mind.
Man, I ate
sir,
that before.
But, we got some mashed potatoes.
Look,
if you
and I
want them.
lucky it happened at
Thank you. Have a good day.
lucky it happened in the right
Bro, they
time.
say they're all out too.
I
Damn it.
was
Go to the
lucky
next
it
one.
happened in the right time.
I'm telling you, there's gotta be some here.
I ate those before.
Sorry,
It's
bro.
good.
We don't have no change. Hey, nigga, don't get mad at me. Blame Sony. Hi, welcome to Popeyes. How may I help you?
Hey, I feel like I saw you before.
Obviously, this is the wrong Popeyes. We gotta get out of here. Sorry, sir. If you're looking for the Popeyes chicken sandwich, we're all out. I'm terribly sorry, sir. But hey, we got some mashed potatoes.
You're like the 20th person that offered me mashed potatoes. I don't want mashed potatoes.
Yeah, we're good, ma'am. Have a good day. Trust me, guys. The mashed potatoes are delicious. They're freshly peeled with my coochie lips and mashed up with my booty cheeks. Damn, your coochie must look like a flower pot. I'm reporting you for sexual harassment.
What the fuck did we do? Welcome to Popeyes. How may I help you? Hey, yo, give me that sandwich everybody's talking about. We all out, my nigga. Hey, yo, you want some mashed potatoes? I don't want no fucking
Why are we at McDonald's?
Oh, no, I thought they had it.
No!
Okay, look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go inside.
No, there's no...
No. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside.
We're at McDonald's.
Let's go look.
Bro,
I'm
this
gonna
dude
look.
is
We're at
crazy.
McDonald's.
No, I'm going
No,
inside.
no, don't you go inside. Don't you leave. Don't you dare leave. Don't you leave. Don't leave me.
I'm going. Who you getting mad at? Well, they didn't have it, and also their ice cream machine still broke. Don't worry, bro. I wasn't just thinking about
That's just
myself. I got you a big old jumbo-ass Sprite.
I don't want that acid shit. What was that, Jeremy? What do you mean you saw Billy coming out of Popeyes with a chicken sandwich? No, he can't go to Goofy Coopers! Billy!
Hey, what's up, guys? Billy, do not eat that sandwich! Why not? If you do, I'll squeeze your nipples while looking you in the eye, and you'll feel hella uncomfortable afterwards.
Billy, give us the sandwich!
No! Give me the sandwich. Billy.
Billy's not
That dude was weird for that.
the son! It's my time!
Okay, what do you want? We'll do anything.
Yeah, as long as it's not gay.
If you want this sandwich, you gotta be my bitch. Go give me some lemonade.
Nigga, who you think you're talking to? You got me all types of messed up.
Huh?
How many ice cubes you want?
Billy, you don't understand the power of that sandwich. It will drive everyone nuts, and it'll kill anyone just for that one bite.
Man, fuck all that. Hey, Biggie, look, it's Nicki Minaj and she's not rapping.
She's retiring?
Nicki Minaj! Give me the sandwich! Give me the sandwich!
Alright, guys, I'm just gonna head out with this sandwich.
Where you think you going, penis head?
The most beautiful man in the world.
What?
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now. I'm just stroking my shit.
God, you're actually kind of attractive.
It's mine! No, it's mine! It's my sandwich! Waited in line for my chicken sandwich, but my dumb ass pet just ate my chicken sandwich. Popeyes, 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 Popeyes.
What are you doing? Dude, it's a ghost! It's just a sandwich! You saw me. I was about to eat the sandwich. Stop! Why are you shooting it? You're not understanding me. No, I know I don't want to understand. I gotta reload. Why are you reloading? You just shot him! Stop! Bro, stop! Stop! Stop now! I don't care. It's just a sandwich. Bro, you took the way better. What do you suggest I do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? It's not like I can bring him back to life. He's already dead. I shot him like 67 times. They do. It's not like I can bring him back to life. He's already dead. I shot him like 67 times.
You must be sick, my guy. Wow, he was happy dead the whole time.